welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ashwin, and today by the title you know that we are doing how to apply eyeliners on hooded eyes. This is how it looks. So if you want to see how to apply eyeliner on hooded eyes, then keep on watching. Just a quick tip, do not use liquid eyeliner, especially if they have tips like this. Like, it's really wobbly and you can't really control it. Like, you don't have a full control of these kind of eyeliners. So always, if you want to go, always go for a pen liner or go for a gel. The gel, the reason why is because when you have an angle brush like this, then you have more control over it. So the closer you hold your brush, the more control you have over what you're doing. So either a gel or a pen liner. For today's tutorial, we are going to use a pen liner. This one is from Cella, and it's a dual liquid eyeliner. I actually got this from in my boxy chunk box, and I like how it's like two colors, like a blue and then a black. Well, the camera is not focusing for some reason, but I'm gonna leave the link down below for you guys to check it out. But the reason why I like this is because it's really dark and it's matte. So I'm just gonna zoom you guys in. When you are trying to do the eyeliner, always start from the bottom of your lash line, working towards the end of your eyebrows. So just like that, a little tip from the end, the lower lash line, towards the end of your eyebrow. See, like here is my hooded eye where it ends, right? And I don't want to go past that line when it comes to drawing my liner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little line over there, just to know that I shouldn't be going past that line, because once you do, then your eyeliner doesn't look nice. It's gonna be hidden with your hood. So basically, wherever your hooded line, like look straight in the mirror, and then wherever your line ends, there is where you wanna put a line so that you don't cross over that line. I'll show you guys. So I want a little longer liner, so I'm just gonna go like a little bit longer from the bottom, and then I'm going to just draw it right across, just like that, using the same line as a guide, and fill this in. When I look straight, then this line, the top line, is below actually where my eye hood starts. So you want to be below that. So I'm going to show you again on this side. So starting from the bottom lash, working towards the end of your eyebrow, and then just marking a line where your hooded eyes start, just below it, so that your eyeliner doesn't get lost. So once again, do not start right from the very tip of that line that you have. Start a little below and then go straight, you see, and then fill in the gap. So what I want to do is I'm gonna just line following my lash line like a thin line. You see that? And I want to show you another thing. So sometimes I see women, like, they have a liner on just like that, and then you see that gap in between, like there is space in between. I have seen some women just leave it like that. I don't know if they don't see it, or maybe they're not used to like getting their liner on. So always make sure you fill in that gap, because sometimes your eyelids show through because you haven't filled it all the way. Did you see what I did there? I wanted my liner to be a little bit thicker over here, so I just moved my pen. So I'm gonna do the same this side. Not disrupting the line that we originally did below the hood, but when going forward, making it a little thicker. You see? And there you have your winged liner. Always remember to start from the bottom lashes, working towards your end of your eyebrows, make a line, and then just where your hood starts, your eyelid hood starts, you make a little line there so that that can be a guide for you to make a line right across straight, and then you work on how thick you want your actual eyelid liner to be. Like from here onwards, then you can make it as thick as you want depending on it being lower the hood. So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions you can leave them down below. I know sometimes it's hard to like do it right the first time, so always practice makes perfect. So just try it on. You can rub it off and then you can apply again and then master the skill. So again, if you have any questions, leave them down below, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.